Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is my second video for exercise 5b, percentage increase and percentage decrease. So in my first video I discussed how can you find the percentage increase and percentage decrease, and I discussed some of the word problems or the situations that we deal in common life. So quickly let me explain you this example, because in this video I'm going to explain you questions of this type. An article cost £30 is sold at a gain of 25%. Find the selling price. Selling price is the final price. So if you want to see in detail how these two methods could be done, I explained in my first video, so you can watch the first video. Just I want to remind you that I'm going to use this second formula that says how can you find the final amount or the final value or the selling price. I will find the multiplying factor and multiply that multiplying factor with the original value, right? So let's start the questions now. So this question I have taken from exercise 5b in the worksheet. It's question number 5. It says find the purchase price of the given object. When they say find the purchase price, what does it mean? Means how much will you pay on the counter? How much will you pay to the cashier? Right? So this was the electric heater. For example, someone wants to buy it. Its price is £300, and plus you have to pay 15% extra as VAT tax, right? So this is the keyword plus, means this is the case of increase. So how will you find the multiplying factor now? Many times I told you, whenever it's a case of increase, that means 100 will be added to the percentage. So the multiplying factor we will get is 100 plus 15, that will be 115%, and you will change it into a fraction. You know that percentage means out of 100. So the multiplying factor is right now 115 out of 100. Now use this multiplying factor to find the purchase price, or you can say the final value. So we will say final price or final value equals what? We will take this multiplying factor and multiply it with the price. So what was the price? It was 300, and now we can cancel the two zeros with the two zeros. These two zeros can be cancelled with these two zeros. Now multiply 115 by 3, so it will be 3 times 5 is 15, 1, 4, okay, and then 3 times 1 is 3. So it's going to be 345 pounds, right? Now better pause the video here and solve this B part on your own. So here is the answer, students, for this one. As you can see in B part, I just multiplied 112 by 8. I got 896. Then because it was being divided by 100, so I moved the decimal 2 places to the left and got the answer 896 pounds. Let's solve some more questions of this type. The same idea, it's the plus, and plus the VAT tax is being added. That means it's a case of increase, or you can say it's a case when you add 100 into the into the percentage. So better pause the video here, solve both the parts on your own, and then we will discuss. So here are the answers for both questions, students. I added 100 here, so got 117 percentage, and then I divided it by 100, and when I multiplied it by 600 to get the final price or the selling price, the two zeros were cancelled. 117 times 6, I multiplied it here, if you can see now, and it is becoming 702 pounds. That means the purchase price for the person, or you can say the price that he will pay, a person will pay on the cash counter, is 702 pounds. Here you can see I multiplied 115 out of 100 because this was the multiplying factor by 5. Now I didn't simplify any of the number. I just multiplied 115 by 5 in the rough work. And then because of this 100, because it was being divided by 100 in the denominator, so I moved the decimal 2 places to the left and got the final answer 5.75 pounds. So check wherever it's easy to cancel the numbers or simplify the numbers, but wherever you think it's not easy to simplify, just keep the 100 as it is in the denominator, because it will help you just to move the decimal to the left and to get the final answer. That's all for this video. Hope you understand the exercise.